Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, homemade pizza. That's right, we'll be showing you how to make your very own mouth-watering pizza from scratch. Get ready for a pizza party right in your kitchen. To start off, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need some all-purpose flour, instant yeast, warm water, olive oil, salt, sugar, favorite pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and an assortment of toppings. First, let's activate the yeast. Dissolve the sugar in warm water and sprinkle the yeast on top. Give it a gentle stir and let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. This ensures our dough rises perfectly. Now, gradually add the flour, salt, and olive oil to the yeast mixture. Keep kneading until the dough comes together and becomes smooth and elastic. If it feels too sticky, add a little more flour. Time to let the dough rise and work its magic. Cover the bowl with a kitchen towel and let it rest in a warm place for about an hour or until it doubles in size. This step is essential for a light and fluffy crust. And voila! Look at our beautifully risen dough. Now, let's shape it into a pizza crust. Start by gently stretching the dough with your hands, working from the center toward the edges. Don't worry if it's not perfect, rustic pizzas have their charm. Make sure to leave a slightly thicker border for that classic crust. Now it's time to add our delicious toppings. Spread a generous amount of your favorite pizza sauce over the dough, leaving the crust untouched. Then, sprinkle a generous layer of shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Get creative with your toppings. Today, we're going with classic pepperoni, colorful bell peppers, earthy mushrooms, and tangy black olives. Feel free to add your personal favorites, remember, it's your pizza. Preheat the pizza to 475 degrees Fahrenheit 245 degrees Celsius and bake the pizza for about 12 to 15 minutes, until the crust turns golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Oh, just look at that! Our homemade pizza is perfectly baked and ready to be devoured. Allow it to cool for a couple of minutes, then slice it up and enjoy.
Mmm.
That's pure pizza perfection. Making your own pizza. Happy cooking!